While the pandemic has cooled somewhat in New York and New Jersey, it has turned red hot in many parts of this country. 27 states have now either paused or rolled back on reopening their economies. All this coming amid ominous expectations that the coronavirus is going to get worse before it gets better.
It's pretty obvious the coronavirus is not going away. We've seen a surge in Florida and Arizona and Texas, and yes, in Kentucky as well.
The Senate Majority Leader citing just 4 of the 38 states now experiencing a rise in new cases over the past week. Florida has become the new epicenter, adding almost 10,000 new cases in just one day. As the coronavirus sends many states into a crisis mode, the director of the Centers for Disease Control is warning that the worst is yet to come.
I do think the fall and the winter of 2020 and 2021 are going to be probably one of the most difficult times that we've experienced in American public health.
That ominous warning coming just months before the coronavirus crosses paths with another and more common illness.
This winter, we'll be seeing for the first time how COVID, which could be mutating as we speak, will interact with the flu.
The dire warnings parallel a grim projection by the University of Washington that 224,000 Americans will die from the virus by November 1st. Determined to keep the numbers down here in New York, Mayor de Blasio is hedging on whether to proceed with further openings under Phase 4 next week.
We got to decide how we feel about the different pieces of Phase 4 and if we really are ready for Monday or, a different approach or a different timeline.
Be selfless. Help us push our numbers lower. Wear a mask.
Governor Phil Murphy's advice comes as researchers report that well-fitted masks made from 2 layers of tightly stitched cotton fabric are more effective in blocking infectious droplets.
2-layer masks, also referred to as surgical or procedural masks, are very effective in blocking splashes and large droplets. They also prevent us from touching our face and transferring germs.
While the masks and face coverings do contain those infectious droplets, the researchers say wearing no face covering can cause your sneezes and coughs to travel up to 8 feet around you. So the best bet is to wear a mask and stay safe. Reporting from home, I'm Marvin Scott, Pix 11 News.